Hi, today I'm going to make this really cute rainbow shaped pencil box, pencil stand. Very easy to make with 4 divisions. To keep anything that you want to keep. Materials I'm using are, this is a cardboard sheet from a cardboard box, and these are all glitter sheets in silver, purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, and this is plain white colored card paper or any other paper that you want. So cut a strip from the cardboard depending on the size of the box that you want to make. So this one is around 30 centimeters and I'm going to divide it into 4 parts. So I'll just mark out in 4 parts. And mark the lines. So after drawing these lines with a paper knife, I'm just going to score lightly on the cardboard. Like this. Now just fold along the scored lines. So just apply a little bit of pressure and fold. And the last bit. Like this. So I'll just apply glue. And stick it inside. Like so. So after this has dried, just put it on another piece of cardboard and trace the inside. Like this, and just make a slightly bigger outline around it. And I'll just cut this out. After I've cut out the square, now just cut out triangles till the edge we've drawn. Like so, and I'll cut all around. So after this has been cut like this, now just score on the line. Like this, and just fold it. So this will go inside all the triangles. Like so. I'll just apply glue so that they stick. So I'll stick it like this. So this is how it look from the inside. I made the others in the same way, 3 more, like so. So now I'll just take these 4 boxes and put them on the side. Like so, and stick them to each other. So I'll just apply some glue. And let them dry. After this is stuck, this is what it will look like. So now just take more cardboard. I've cut this box open. And place these on it. Now I'll just mark out the edges of all the boxes on this. So this will give me the approximate dimension of the box. So now I'll draw a base and I'll draw some clouds shape. So this will be just below the 2 boxes, the 2 base boxes. And similarly on this side. And then just draw a rainbow. So try to cover the top of all the boxes. And similarly the base. You can see, so it will look like this. I'll just cut this out. So this is how the sheet would look after I've cut it out. Now I'm just going to take the white sheet and trace it out on this. I'll just keep it to the edge. Like so. So I'll just cut it out now. So now on this, I'm going to make the clouds. Like so, and then I'm going to make the rainbow lines. So just divide this entire piece, because I've got 6 colors, so I'll divide it into 6. So this is approximately 11.5 centimeters. So I'm just going to divide it and make those lines like this. So this is how it will look. Now I'll just cut out each of these, the clouds and each of these strips separately. So this is how all the pieces would look. Now I'm going to cut these strips in these rainbow colors, all of them one by one, and the clouds I'm going to trace on the silver paper, on the silver glitter sheet, and cut it out. So this is how all the strips would look, all the foam sheets, and the clouds I've just cut out an outline of the silver glitter sheet like this, which I'm going to keep on the clouds like this. So I'll start sticking on the cardboard frame. So first I'll start with the clouds, remove this, and I'm just going to first place it like so. And then stick them. So I've written left and right on both of them just so that I don't mix up in the shape. like so. Now I'm going to stick these. So first just put them and see that they fit. In case they go over, like in this case, they're going over the cloud, you can always cut it and reduce it from here. So I'll just remove a little bit. And stick it. So I'll just apply some glue. First I'll just cut off a little more. Like this, and similarly I'll go on sticking all these in the same way. So this will go like this and so on. So I'll just stick them. After sticking all the strips like this, now I'll just stick these, the clouds, like this. So just apply glue. You can push it a bit to fit in all these grooves properly. So I'll stick this also in the same way. So this is how it will look, a nice and glittery rainbow, and I made the other side also in the same way. So you have two sides like this. So now what you do is just turn it over and stick these boxes on it, taking care that these edges, the boxes don't show through these, so you can fit it accordingly like this, and I'm going to stick them. And this is how it will look after it's finished. A very cute little pencil stand with rainbow colors and clouds.